Grayscale adds XRP to its Gdlc fund. Rumors of a potential XRP product have been sparked by Grayscale's decision to re-add XRP to its digital large cap fund, which is one of its biggest investment products by AUM. Last night, the press release was issued by the digital asset investment firm disclosing this. Some of Grayscale's investment products, such as the Grayscale D5 fund, the Grayscale Virtual Large Cap Fund, and the Grayscale Smart Contracts Platform, Ethereum fund, were rebalanced quarterly according to the announcement. To that end, the Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund held Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, Cardano, and Avalanche, among other top-tier cryptocurrencies. In their most recent announcement, nevertheless, the business revealed that as part of their quarterly rebalancing effort, they had sold off certain elements in order to acquire additional Avalanche and XRP tokens. They then replaced Matic with XRP and re-added it to the fund. Solana 3.6515 Dine 50 and P1 59.9 XRPA 2.54 now make up the total market cap of the fund. With an impressive $378.4 million in assets under management, the Gdlc fund ranks as Grayscale's third largest investment product. XRP now in Grayscale. Keep in mind that prior to the SEC's case against Ripple and its executives, Grayscale held XRP in the fund. However, XRP experienced severe sell-offs, causing its market cap to decrease following the regulatory agency's charges against Ripple for allegedly participating in unregistered securities offerings. In light of the ongoing legal dispute, Grayscale withdrew XRP from the fund on January 4, 2021. The company used the money from the sale of its XRP shares to acquire other assets from the fund. But ever since the landmark decision in July 2023 that deemed XRP a non-security, demands for Grayscale to bring the asset back have become stronger. Relisting of XRP by prominent U.S. exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken coincided with the emergence of these demands. Grayscale recently said that the verdict was essential in XRP being eligible for the Gdlc fund. Potential XRP exchange traded fund. The new information has caused XRP supporters to rejoice, and some are even considering launching an XRP traded. Even though XRP is the only cryptocurrency with clear legal status in the US, prominent asset managers have been looking to Ethereum and Bitcoin for spot ETFs. Some in the industry have wondered why major asset managers like BlackRock haven't been more proactive in trying to get a spot XRP ETF off the ground. Last November, rumors of a phony BlackRock shares XRP ETF spread, sending the price of XRP soaring. But once it was discovered that the product was counterfeit, the token's value plummeted. At one point, Grayscale was the advertiser of a crypto watch display on CNBC that tracked the prices of XRP, BTC, and yet Ethereum. This added fuel to the fire of those who believe an XRP is imminent. It should be remembered that the SEC's lawsuit led Grayscale to liquidate its XRP trust in January 2021. Market participants are waiting for the investment business to reintroduce the cryptocurrency to the Gdlc fund, and then they will launch an XRP ETF. But as of this writing, the company has made no indication that such a product is in the works. If XRP is employed as a settlement currency in RippleNet, its demand might increase. Businesses like Uber might benefit from holding on to XRP so they can make international payments easier and turn a profit. Another way to buy XRP is to do it later on, making direct payments with XRP. With this method, buyers need to keep fewer foreign currencies and transaction costs are lowered, which might lead to savings and a rise in the demand for XRP. Why wouldn't banks be interested in XRP if Uber is using it and have some on hand? Finally, he mentioned that this is just one use case for XRP and that a seller's assets might cause significant increases in demand for XRP holdings. Furthermore, you are cognizant of the fact that endowments and institutions have an increasing demand and a relatively fixed supply. The ongoing legal battle between the SEC and Zachariah will make April 2024 a pivotal month for Ripple and XRP. With the new year beginning with a glimmer of hope for crypto aficionados, many investors are curious to see what the future brings. April 2024 is going to be a pivotal month for Ripple Labs and the XRP community. This is mostly due to the fact that two significant court disputes involving XRP and Ripple are expected to see intriguing developments in April. In particular, a group of XRP investors headed by Vladi Zakhanov and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission are suing Ripple at the moment. In both cases, the plaintiffs claim that Ripple broke the law when it sold XRP to raise cap. The Zakhanov versus Ripple lawsuit is scheduled for a motion hearing on January 11, 2024. However, the trial is anticipated to begin on April 15, 2024. Meanwhile, the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit's remedies litigation will continue until April 2024. The court's calendar indicates that the last motion pertaining to the remedies litigation is due on April 29, 2024. On April 12, 2024, Ripple will submit its response to the SEC's remedy brief. A response to the defendant's opposition must be filed by the Securities and Exchange Commission no later than April 29, 2024. Upcoming CLC versus Ripple remedies litigation. The much-anticipated summary decision in the SEC versus Ripple litigation was issued by a federal court in July 2023, just so you know. The court found that Ripple broke the law with its institutional XRP sales, but it also said that the distributions and programmatic sales of XRP are not securities, contrary to what the SEC said. As a result, a remedies litigation has been set to commence in February 2024 and continue until April, according to the court's calendar. Concerning the possible penalty that Ripple may be obligated to pay for selling XRP to institutional investors, the remedies litigation is relevant. Future litigations might significantly affect the price of XRP, which is already trading at approximately 5 cents. For firms like Ripple who are planning to go public in 2024, pre-IPO investment platform Link2 has highlighted some themes to keep an eye on. Link2, a platform that helps with pre-IPO investments, has provided its thoughts on the economic trends that will affect the investment environment in 2024 as the IPO market gets ready to start. Link2 noted in a recent X post that there was relative silence on the IPO landscape last year. Having said that, it did mention that investors are getting ready for chances that may arise this year. Thus, it detailed important, encouraging tendencies to keep an eye on in preparation for the anticipated IPO market boom of 2024. A number of favorable signs point to a bright economic future in 2024, according to Link2. The article focused on a rise in GDP, which is a measure of economic growth in particular. Additionally, the pre-IPO investment platform claimed a decline in the unemployment rate. This points to a rise in consumer confidence and job security. An increase in consumer expenditure was also reported by Link2. In the platform's opinion, these elements contribute to a positive climate for businesses thinking about going public. The volatility index also shows that market volatility is reducing, which is good news for investors, as Link2 pointed out. A more secure market. The argument makes prospective investors feel more at ease, which in turn encourages businesses to consider initial public offering. PitchBook reports that the capital to demand ratio for late stage businesses in the United States has recently surged, reaching 2.76 times. Link2 sees this trend as an indication that startups are increasingly seeking funding, which could lead them to consider initial public offerings as a way to grow and expand. That's all for now.